Hi, this is Salesforce Jen, and right now we're talking about the Learn and Practice package that has been installed in an org. And I'm going to walk you through the top area or the top menu item called page structure. So if you're at the home, you're going to click page structure. Now, your site might look different than mine. I've been messing with the colors. This is not accessible and it intentionally looks bad. But one of the things you can do is use headers. Header 1, header 2, header 3, and this is a page structure that helps a screen reader move through a page. So if somebody is using a screen reader or they're using any kind of assistive technology, this will help them. And what it is like when you write an outline and you have everything organized, okay? So every page should only have one H1. That's usually the page title. And then your next major section would be H2. And then if you had another subsection that it would make sense for them to go from an H2 to an H3 subsection, you do that. You don't want to make them out of order. You don't want to have a header 2 and then you go straight to 4, because that will confuse the person and the screen assistive technology. So you're going to keep it very logical, like an outline, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's very easy to do in Experience Cloud. This is a rich text component or a screenshot of it. We've been working with these if you've watched my other videos. And in it, when you have your WYSIWYG editor here, you can change it here. So you would want to make sure that you highlight the text and then you change it to the heading. So it's very important that you don't use bold text alone to make it important, because bold text visually, I can see that it's important if you put it in a structured way. But if you cannot see, the bold is not helpful. So yes, use bold for visual learners, but also for accessibility, use the headers. If you're going to use HTML components and you know how to code, then you should make sure you use heading tags. And if you have a developer, you make sure you tell the developer what heading tags you want. So if I was looking at this page and I had a main title, which I don't, I would make that. And then I would make this H2. That means it goes from here, 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 H2, H2. If I went down here and this was also H2, but then I had a subsection, maybe I would have a title here and this would be H3 with these things underneath. But you'll want to use page structure. It helps when someone is using any kind of assistive technology, navigate and understand.